Tips to write a good research paper. A video presentation by Ghostwriters Guild. Step number 1, Research Methods. As you go for higher level course of education like post-graduation or doctorate degree, the most important part will be a research paper that you have to work on, and as a further process, you need to undergo an oral test on the basis of your research work. The project work or dissertation part of your course is certainly the determinant of your degree. It will decide whether you can be awarded postgraduate degree or a doctoral degree. So it is important. Step number 2. A good research paper. As said before, a research paper is a crucial determinant factor in your education level. It will help you to determine your overall grade. In normal case, the research work or dissertation will come towards the last semester of your course. Before writing research papers, you also need to prepare a synopsis of your research work. It is generally considered as a rough work of your research paper. When you prepare a synopsis, it will give you beneficiary results in your final research work. So, a good research work needs to be started with a project synopsis. You should also remember that in order to write a good research paper you need to follow certain crucial aspects as follows. Tips to write a good research paper. Tip number 1. Select a relevant topic. In order to do a good research work, the first and the most important step is to choose a topic that has socio-economic relevance. Once you fix such a relevant topic, then you have crossed the door towards a good research work. Tip number 2. Collect sufficient data. After choosing the topic, the next step is to gather data, both primary and secondary data. The most important data is always primary data. In order to collect primary data, you need to prepare a questionnaire. Then gather the required data for your project work. Tip number 3. Do analysis and interpretation. After collecting primary data, you need to do a clear-cut analysis and interpretation about your findings. You need to plot diagrams and tables and adopt some statistical measures in order to finish the research work in an efficient manner. So follow these steps to do a good research work. Informational video on how to write a good research paper by theghostwritersguild.com. To know more, visit today at www.ghostwritersguild.com.